For this Commie Earth Day video, let's take a look at two online statements made by the Communist Party USA and the Party for Socialism and Liberation. Since we're here, let's start with CPUSA. On this Earth Day, we cannot afford to ignore the relationship between the struggle for democracy and monopoly capitalism's ruthless ravaging of the planet, with particular destructive force being unleashed against the environments of oppressed peoples and nations. Struggles for access to healthy food, clean water, unpolluted air, and safe homes are bound up with struggles for workers' rights, equality, democracy, and reproductive health. Peace, too, is an environmental question. Trump and MAGA's billionaire-backed doubling down on the lawless, imperialist, genocidal aggression in Gaza is both a humanitarian and environmental catastrophe. Gus Hall identified racism as the nation's most dangerous pollutant. The rounding up of migrant farm workers highlights this fact. So too does Trump's and Musk's anti-DEI campaign, forming the basis for the firing of hundreds of EPA employees and for the elimination of programs to address environmental racism. Capitalism demands maximum profits to the detriment of the vast majority and the clean air, water, and soil all life depends upon. We demand people, peace, and planet before profits. That was right on by the CPUSA, and this by the PSL is going to be too. Earth Day 2025. For Earth to live, capitalism must end. End capitalism before it ends us. Please? There's only one way out of the climate crisis plaguing communities around the world. End capitalism before it ends us. This Earth Day, we recommit to the fight for a socialist future, one in which the needs and well-being of the people and the planet are the priority. Climate change is rapidly accelerating, and the window to avoid catastrophic consequences is closing. Corporate media, politicians, and the billionaires they represent want us to believe that our only options are to deny the problem exists, give up because we've already passed the tipping point, or focus on individual lifestyle changes that will never meet the scale of the problem. The truth is that when the people are organized, we have the power. But tinkering around the edges of the climate crisis won't solve it. We need system change. Here are 3 steps we can take to save the planet and construct a better future for all people. Seize big oil, lock up the oil executives, shut down U.S. military bases. Sounds good to me. Solidarity, comrades.